In this presentation, I will show how to print a series in reverse order using pointers. So let's get started. Initially, I have defined n as 5. Hash define n5 means that whenever compiler finds n, it will replace that n by 5. Okay. Inside this main function, I have declared an array A, and here I have put the size as n. N means 5, therefore it will get replaced by 5 by the compiler, and A5 means that I have declared an array of 5 elements. So here is the pictorial representation of this array A, which consists of 5 empty blocks, because initially it doesn't contain any elements. 1000 I'm assuming is the initial address of this array, and I'm also assuming the size of integer is 4 bytes, okay? And I have also declared a pointer p, and after that we have a printf function which prints enter 5 elements in the array, because %id is the placeholder of this n, and n is 5 here. Therefore, it will get replaced by 5. After this printf function, we have a for loop in which the pointer is initialized with the initial address or the starting address of the array. That is the address of the first element, right? So it will get replaced by 1000. This will also get replaced by 1000, and n minus 1 will get replaced by 5 minus 1, but I cannot simply add 5 minus 1 to 1000, so 4 is also multiplied with it. So the final address so obtained is 1016. So I'm checking whether 1000 is less than 1016 or not. This condition is definitely satisfied. Therefore, we come inside this for loop and we are simply asking the user to input some element inside this location, right? This P represents the address of A0, right? Because it contains the address 1000, which is the address of the first element of the array. So I'm asking the user to enter some element inside this location. Similarly, within this for loop, I'm asking the user to enter the elements in rest of the locations too. So at the end of this for loop, there will be some elements inside this array. Suppose these are those elements 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. These are the elements entered by the user. After that, with the help of this for loop, I can print the elements in reverse order very easily. The address must start from the last address, that is a plus n minus 1, which is 1016. And this will get replaced by 1000. Of course, I have to check this condition is p is greater than or equal to 1000 instead of less than or equal to, right? Because I have started from the last address and I have to check up to 1000 address. And the pointer must be decremented instead of incrementing. Then I can print the values which are stored in these locations one by one, starting from the last address. With the help of the star p, I can print the values. Here we cannot place p, we are not asking for the addresses. We are asking for the elements inside those addresses. That's why the dereference operator is required. At the end of this for loop, definitely the output will be 50, 40, 30, 20 and 10, right? With the help of pointers, we can also print the elements in reverse order as it is demonstrated over here. Okay friends, this is it for now. Thank you for watching this presentation.